John Piper with the Thursday video, and it's Thursday the 13th of June. Starting with gold this morning. Basically we have the possible 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, with an irregular ABC which could be complete, but the current rally is a bit dithery. Let's look at a bit more detail. In fact, the first 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, are pretty solid. Is this action since is a bit uncertain. I mean, this could be some kind of 5th wave, but it doesn't really qualify terribly. A good ABC down would be, I think, encouraging. Seem to be following this trend line, this moving average, which is the 50 times 30 minute moving average. Not sure how relevant that is, but it does seem to be catching the lows very well on this particular chart. So overall, although there's a case that the third wave thrust has begun, we really have no confirmation by way of the actual action at this point. So I mentioned options the other day. I mean, certainly dip your toe in if you want to buy some options, but I'm not sure that the case is that clear right now. And options being a wasting asset, you have to be quite careful when you get in. So we need more confirmation really on. Similarly, Bitcoin is a bit uncertain. I mean, we have that's the peak, which I've discussed before. Clear ABC there, an A and a B, a possible C, but from this spike nothing's happening. So we're left a little bit in doubt as to whether the B wave peak is in or not. So look a bit more detail. So far, really from this peak here, quite a solid spike, but just an ABC really. A, B, C, A, B. Looks like it's going to go higher at the moment, but it's all very dithery. So it's definitely corrective, which is confirmed we're seeing a correction, but we're just in the B wave, so we've still got the C wave to come, I think, which will take us lower. Looking at the Dow, we've got 5 waves up now. I think that's probably the case from the low down here, down to around 12, 4, 6, 10. Looks like an irregular correction, A, B, C of some sort, very, very shallow. Suggesting we're going to just shoot up again, but again it seems rather, well, I thought we'd see more of a correction on that at this point, but I guess if the powers that be sort of virtually guaranteeing an up move, which seems to be what people are assuming, then I guess anything can happen. On the DAX, I mean, hard to count this impulsively, but it's because of the overlap between the 2 and 4s, as it were. But we've got an impulsive move, certainly an ABC, there's no real doubt about that. So we've got 1, 2, and this should keep going really. There's no real reason for it not to at this point in time, but again, it's all a little bit uncertain at the moment really. That part I've called today, I think. Hope that was useful. Back to the report on the weekend. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.